Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello all, meet me again for the second segment in English lesson this time. I am Teddy Kosaputra from class A photography study program. This time I will explain the material about verb and auxiliary. Let's discuss. What is verb? A verb is a word that expresses a physical action, jump, a mental action, guess, or a state of being exists. Thus, there are the function of verb as a part of speech. Verb is classified into 6 types. 1. Transitive. 2. Intransitive. 3. Linking. 4. Auxiliary. 5. Regular. And the last, irregular. Function of verb. Verb, a physical action. Physical action refers to the word for action or activities that can be seen physically. Example: swim, ride, climb, swim, walk, sleep, eat, talk, study, cry, fall, etc. We can see and describe physical action verb. For example, we can describe swimming as an activity of a human on water by moving both of their hand and feet, or walking as the activity when humans move their feet to transport themselves from a place to another. Verb as a mental action. Mental action refers to the word for action or activities that cannot be seen physically. Example: think, understand, feeling, good, love, guess, hate, consider, believe, said, etc. We cannot see and describe mental action verb. For example, we won't be able to know when someone is sad if he or she doesn't tell anybody, or when students understand teacher explanation or not, except they say. Verb as a state of being. Verb as a state of being do not express any activity at all. They express a state of being. They are extremely important group of verb. To be auxiliaries or are of part it. Example: to be is on, are, was, were, have, has, exists, feel, same, feel. To be as verb state of being is using a nominal sentence. She is the worst person I had ever met. Type of verb: linking verb and auxiliary verb. Linking verb is a kind of verb with kinetic subject and object. To be and other verb which function as state of being are the linking verb. Auxiliary is used to modify or give meaning to the sentence. It can change the meaning of a sentence and also change the form of verb. Auxiliaries contain ought to be and modal verb. Example: she was living upstairs when I come, means that she is in state of sleeping, and the sentence is in the past continuous tense. I had slept 2 days, means that I slept 2 days in the past and sentence in past perfect tense. Transitive and intransitive. Verb transitive needs object, so the meaning of the sentence is clear in opposite. Transitive verb does need direct object. How to differentiate transitive verb and intransitive verb in the sentence? The author write at the coffee shop. Intransitive. The author write novel. Transitive novel is the direct object. Ava move over the weekend. Transitive: Ava moved her first out of the way. Transitive: her pause is the direct object. You should sing professionally. Intransitive: you should show the masterpiece. Transitive: the masterpiece is the direct object. Regular and irregular verb. Regular verb is the type of verb which is consistent or has the same pattern for the past, present, and participle. Irregular verb, past and participle form only at alphabet D or at after the word. Example: create, created, created, log, logged, log. Meanwhile, irregular verb is changing following the tense form. It can be different in age, from drink, drunk, drunk. The same pattern for past and participle, find, found, found. The same pattern for present and participle, come, come, come. Doesn't change at all, cut, cut, cut. Okay, that's all from me for this time. Hopefully you understood, and see you on the next segment. I'm Anthony Kasopra. See you next time and stay classy.